Hello friends, welcome to Pen of foutain. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 71JT transparent body with red marble finish cap. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here we go. Here this is a red color marble finish cap which has a long ring portion which is resembling the 71 model, and this is a short clip portion, a silver clip, and a transparent body. In that the branch name Wality was stamped, and this large transparent portion, it denotes that it is a 71JT. In 71J JT mini, you can see this in a short glass portion, a short portion, but here this is a large one, so it is a JT. And here in the clip portion the branch name Airmail was mentioned, and here there is a breather hole in this cap which prevents the ink from clogging and maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or abrupt ink through the nibs. And here, let me open this pen. This is a threading mechanism, and this is number 8 nib, a fine tip gold plated one, and you can also change the nib to number 35 size. That also suits this pen, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 8 and number 35 nib in many brands. And usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs where we have a fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen with number 35 size, and so the choice is yours. For that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And now let me give the measurements of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 10.7 mm and the body is 13.5 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 133.9 mm. And with cap it is 154.2 mm, but not exactly. It is quite a little bigger than this measurement. It is not mentionable in this pen here. And the weight of this pen is 27 grams. And with this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using a pouches and all, the same aesthetic, same shininess will last forever. And for pouches you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches with different slot and different colors with different size, so you can select anything. And also we can do engraving on the pouches, so when you're placing the order you can mention in your order, or else you can make a message or call. And as the holding area's diameter is a bigger one, this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers. And also the reservoir capacity is more, we can fill more than 3 ml of ink in this. And please note, since this is a transparent body, please do not use primary color inks so that the ink will create a stain on the wall of this pen. And on maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirts and deposits in the feeder, you can remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. It is a very small feeder, and after removing you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And again, this is so easy to fix it back. And in some ink bottles itself you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here it is a Brill bottle, here it is given Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also, all the threads are turned to O. To increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline every time you open and close the grip portion during the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And also, few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so we will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And in this nib, it is mentioned special Wality tipped fine. And let me give the writing sample of this pen with our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Super fine writing. Yeah, it is very sharp and a fine writing, and the ink flow is coming out very well. And comparing to before, Wality nibs are becoming better nowadays. They're writing so well, there is no fault with their nibs. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.